Space is vast, cold, unforgiving. For over 45 years, the Voyager 1 spacecraft had braved this harsh frontier, sending back whispers of discovery from the edge of our solar system. Then, silence. In November 2023, NASA lost contact. The faint signal from Voyager 1, our emissary to the stars, went eerily quiet. A chilling silence, the world held its breath. What had happened? Had Voyager's epic journey come to an abrupt end? Or could the ingenuity of the human spirit reach across billions of miles and breathe life back into our distant explorer? The clock was ticking. Launched in 1977, Voyager 1's mission was initially focused on Jupiter and Saturn. Equipped with cameras and scientific instruments, it beamed back stunning images of these gas giants, revealing their swirling storms and intricate ring systems. But Voyager 1's journey didn't end there. It continued outward, becoming the first human-made object to enter interstellar space in 2012. Carrying the golden record, a message in a bottle containing sounds and images of Earth, Voyager 1 became a symbol of humanity's drive to explore the unknown. As humanity's ambassador to the cosmos, Voyager 1 represents our collective curiosity, our quest for knowledge, and our desire to connect with the universe beyond our home planet. The first sign of trouble came in November 2023. Data from Voyager 1, usually a steady stream of scientific readings, suddenly became garbled and incomprehensible. The spacecraft's attitude articulation and control system, crucial for maintaining its antenna's orientation towards Earth, was sending back nonsensical information. Engineers at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory knew something was catastrophically wrong. The situation was dire. Could they diagnose the problem from billions of miles away and find a way to fix it? The clock was ticking and the fate of the mission hung in the balance. The culprit turned out to be the Flight Data Subsystem, the heart of Voyager 1's communication system. The FDS was responsible for collecting data from the spacecraft's instruments and routing it to the transmitter for its long journey back to Earth. Engineers suspected that the FDS had begun sending commands to the wrong computer aboard Voyager 1, causing the garbled data. The challenge was monumental. How do you troubleshoot and repair a computer system older than the Internet itself, located over 15 billion miles away? The engineers had to dig deep into decades-old documentation and rely on their extensive experience. They meticulously analyzed every bit of data, looking for clues that could explain the anomaly. It was a race against time to restore the spacecraft's communication before it drifted too far into the unknown. The engineers at JPL faced a monumental challenge. They were not just dealing with any ordinary mission. They were tasked with maintaining and communicating with a spacecraft that had been launched decades ago. They were working with technology from the 1970s, a time when computers were the size of rooms and data storage was measured in kilobytes, not terabytes. The Voyager spacecraft, now operating on limited power after decades in space, was a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. It had traveled farther than any human-made object, venturing into the unknown. Adding to the complexity, it took over 22 hours for a signal to travel from Earth to Voyager 1 and back. This meant that every command sent to the spacecraft required patience and precision, as any mistake would take nearly a day to correct. But the team refused to give up. They were driven by a sense of duty and a passion for exploration that transcended the challenges they faced. Each engineer brought their expertise and determination to the table, working long hours and often late into the night. They pored over decades-old schematics, ran countless simulations, and brainstormed innovative solutions. Every problem was met with a collaborative spirit, as they knew that the success of the mission depended on their collective efforts. They worked tirelessly, driven by a shared passion for exploration and a deep respect for Voyager 1's legacy. Their dedication was not just about keeping a spacecraft operational, it was about honoring the spirit of human curiosity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge that had launched Voyager into the cosmos in the first place. This mission was a beacon of hope, a reminder that the human spirit knows no bounds. It was a testament to our unyielding desire to explore, to understand, and to push the limits of what is possible. The Voyager team embodied the very essence of exploration, proving that with determination and ingenuity we can reach for the stars and beyond. After months of painstaking work, the JPL team devised a daring plan. They would attempt to use a backup thruster system on Voyager 1, dormant for over 37 years, to make tiny adjustments to the spacecraft's orientation. This would hopefully bypass the faulty FDS and allow engineers to send commands directly to the AACS. It was a risky maneuver. The backup thrusters were a last resort, and if they failed, Voyager 1 could be lost forever. On July 12, 2024, the JPL team held their breath as they sent the commands to activate the backup thrusters. After an agonizing 19-hour wait, a signal arrived. Voyager 1 had responded. The thrusters fired perfectly and the spacecraft's antenna was realigned with Earth. Data began flowing again, clear and strong. Against all odds, Voyager 1 was back online. The room erupted in cheers and applause, a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. Voyager 1's successful communication was a monumental achievement, a beacon of hope and inspiration for future space exploration. The heliopause marks the boundary where the solar wind from our Sun is no longer strong enough to push back the interstellar medium. It is a frontier that few have dared to imagine, let alone explore. Voyager 1's recovery was a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. Launched in 1977, this spacecraft has traveled farther than any human-made object in history. The dedication and brilliance of the engineers and scientists at NASA have ensured that Voyager 1 continues to function, even as it ventures into the unknown. It was a powerful reminder that even in the face of seemingly insurmountable challenges, the human spirit of exploration can prevail. The mission's success is a tribute to the collaborative efforts of countless individuals who have worked tirelessly to push the boundaries of what is possible. Voyager 1 continues its journey, now sending back valuable data about the interstellar medium, the vast expanse between the stars. This data is crucial for understanding the environment beyond our solar system, providing insights that could shape future space exploration missions. Its odyssey is far from over. As it travels deeper into interstellar space, Voyager 1 continues to break new ground, venturing into regions that have never been explored before. Each piece of data it sends back is a new chapter in the story of human exploration. It is expected to keep transmitting for another 5 to 10 years, sending back whispers from the unknown, pushing the boundaries of our understanding of the cosmos. The information it gathers will help scientists piece together the puzzle of our universe, offering a glimpse into the mysteries that lie beyond our solar system. Voyager 1's journey is not just a scientific mission, it is a message in a bottle, carrying the golden record, a testament to human culture, music, and achievements. This record encapsulates the essence of humanity, a legacy that will inspire generations to come. As it drifts further into the cosmos, Voyager 1 stands as a beacon of human curiosity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. Its legacy is a reminder that our quest to understand the universe is an enduring journey, one that will continue to inspire and drive us forward into the unknown. Voyager 1's story is ultimately about more than just technical achievements. Launched in 1977, this spacecraft has traveled farther than any human-made object in history. It has sent back invaluable data about our solar system, revealing secrets of planets and moons we could only dream of before. It's about our innate desire to explore, to push the boundaries of what we know and venture into the unknown. This drive is embedded in our DNA, a testament to our curiosity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge to understand our place in the universe. We look up at the stars and wonder what is out there. Voyager 1 helps us seek answers to these age-old questions, bridging the gap between our world and the vast cosmos. It's about the power of human collaboration. Scientists, engineers, and visionaries from around the globe came together to make this mission possible. Their combined efforts showcase what humanity can achieve when we work together towards a common goal, and the enduring legacy we leave behind. Voyager 1 is not just a machine, it is a symbol of our ingenuity, and our quest for discovery. It represents the dreams and aspirations of countless individuals who dared to look beyond the horizon. As Voyager 1 sails silently through the interstellar void, it continues its journey, carrying with it the hopes and dreams of humanity. It is a silent ambassador representing our species in the vast expanse of space. It carries with it a message encoded on the golden record. This record contains sounds and images selected to portray the diversity of life and culture on Earth. It is a time capsule, a snapshot of our world at a particular moment in history, not just for the cosmos, but for ourselves. A message of curiosity, of our desire to reach out and connect with whatever might be out there. It is a testament to our quest for understanding and our hope that we are not alone in the universe, of resilience, of hope. Despite the challenges and uncertainties, we continue to explore, to push the boundaries and to dream. Voyager 1 embodies the spirit of perseverance and optimism. Will anyone out there ever find it? This question lingers as Voyager 1 travels further into the unknown. It is a beacon, a message in a bottle cast into the cosmic ocean waiting to be discovered. And if they do, what will they think of the civilization that sent it? Will they understand our message, our hopes, and our dreams? Voyager 1 is a testament to our desire to connect, to share our story with the universe, and to find our place among the stars. The Golden Record is more than just a collection of sounds and images. It is a profound statement of who we are. It speaks of our art, our science, our music, and our languages. It is a message of peace and goodwill, a hope that whoever finds it will understand that we too seek connection and understanding. It is a reminder of our shared humanity, our collective achievements, and our dreams for the future. As Voyager 1 continues its journey, it carries with it the essence of our world, a message in a bottle cast into the vast ocean of space, waiting for someone somewhere to find it and know that we were here.